All right, guys, still at the same spot. I'm gonna fly a different ridge. It's gonna be tough to see probably. So that ridge, I'm thinking I can fly it, kind of swoop down into this canyon, do a line, and then come back. I'll talk you through the whole thing. Just waiting on satellites. 4 satellites. There we go. All right, here we go. I like how the sun just pops out right after I take off. I guess it's not as bright as I thought. Everything in these goggles make it look so bright. So I'm just gonna stay level with the other ridge. I think I got a bit of a headwind going. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna come kind of straight on at this. Try and stay around the rim. And once we get around the curve, I'll drop down. I love how these rocks just stick out like an overhang. Kind of go around the front of this rock straight in front of us and drop down below. Oh yeah. We're coming to the end of this little mesa plateau. And when I get to the end of this, I'm just gonna kind of kill throttle, kinda, and we'll drop straight down. This looks insane. Oh my goodness, this is so sick. So, the plan is I'm gonna stay on the right side of this. There's a little pillar I wanna fly in between, and then I'll cross back over. And there's another pillar I want to fly in between over there. So we'll pull up over. Through this pillar and then straight across. Bug on my head, itch my nose. Kind of tuck under the lip. Go around this, I'm going to kind of swing out and get an angle at the shoot through there. Oof. think I just fell safe for a split second, but it caught it. All right, I'm gonna make the long journey back. I have plenty of battery, but that was kind of nerve-wracking. And I have a lot of altitude to gain, but I mean, I might as well fly this too, actually. I've actually never fail-safed with this this DJI controller too, and that actually worked really well. It just leveled it out, and just as it started, because I have it set up in beta flight to basically go into angle mode, and it punches. I think I have it set to 1700. The throttle scale at like 1700, and it punches out for 1.2 seconds, and then GPS rescue takes over. But I'm assuming since all it did was level out real quick and then I have full control, it never actually went into GPS rescue. I must have gained control again. I mean, it was just a blip. You can see it in the footage, I'm sure. Not gonna lie, it's kind of sketchy if you look at where I'm standing. Whew. All right, that was it. It's not going to be the last flight in Moab, but I hope you guys enjoyed. First time I've ever fail-safed. Even though it was a split second, it was kind of got the heart racing. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.